Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Boxyluxe product review video for December's Boxyluxe. So I have all the products here and I have been using them for the last month, so I do have a review on most of them. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I have my little pamphlet here, and the theme this month was "'Tis the Sea Sun," like sea and sun, but like also like season, because it was cute. It was really cute. So I'm going to go through all the products on here and give you my review of them because I got a review. Okay, so the first thing is the Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set, and this retailed for $65. Now I took this out of its little box because I used the brushes. So I have 3 that came in the box here, 3 that I was really excited about. I have a blending brush right here, I have a round top blender here, really nice and dense, and then I have this really cool Pro Precision face brush, which is like perfect for getting cream contour. There were 6 brushes in this set and it retailed for $65 like I said, and honestly I love Luxie brushes. They're 100% my favorite brand when it comes to brushes, so I think that these were just amazing. The quality of Luxie is amazing. They don't ever shed on me. I've had some brushes for 3-4 years and I don't know, they just never disappoint, so I think this was a great deal and I'm very happy with this, so this is an A+ product from me. Okay, next is from Tarte. This is the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint in the shade Insta-Famous, and it is this really cool shimmery gloss. In here you can see it has a million little glitters of all different colors. This is super unique and something like I don't have anything like this in my collection. So this, even though it appears pink in the bottle here, it does not have that much pigment to it. The base is pretty clear. What gives it the color is pretty much all of the little shimmers inside here. This is essentially just a pretty sticky gloss with a bunch of glitters. So if I placed it over the lip I have now, it would just give me a nice like glittery, sheeny, plump look. So it's a gloss. It's essentially a glitter gloss. I don't usually like the Tarte lip paint formulas, but I actually really did like this one. It retailed for $20. I feel like it just wore really well. I like the color. I don't wear this super often because I don't really wear a lot of glitter on my lips a lot. I like lip glosses without any like shimmer or glitter to them, but this was definitely surprising. I didn't think I was going to like it as much as I did, so I think this is also an A+ for me. Okay, next is my favorite thing that we got in the box this month, and this is the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. Now, I mentioned in my unboxing, which I will link down below, that when I first got into YouTube and watching YouTube, I watched this girl, Jaylyn, and she always used this palette, and I thought it was the most beautiful palette I'd ever seen, and I wanted so badly to buy it, but I had no idea how to do makeup. This retails for $45, and this is everything I imagined it would be. It is so beautiful. I wish there were a few more mattes in this, I'm not gonna lie. I think there are only 8 matte shades, a lot of shimmers. The shimmers are absolutely beautiful. A few of the matte shades are pretty close to each other. We have Transition here and Bestie, and like you could even see, they're pretty similar. So I wish there was a bit more variety in the matte shades. I also wish there was one darker shade. Like these are the 2 darkest shades you can get, and they aren't super dark, especially when you apply them to the lids. So I do wish that there was more variety in the matte shades and that there was deeper shades in here, but aside from that, everything blends so well on the eyes. It is nice and pigmented. They really blend themselves away. It's almost like foolproof. The shimmers are absolutely beautiful. I've been using Toffee a lot, as you can see. They're just super metallic. They glide on so well. They have so much pigment to them. I'm gonna swatch How You Doin', which is like from Friends, like how you doing? And that is like one swipe. It is so beautiful. They're very metallic. They're very buttery. I have no complaints on the shimmer shades or the matte shades. I think this is an overall like really great palette, and I love all the tones in here. So I'm so excited to do more looks with this, and this was definitely a win for me. The next thing in the box is probably the only thumbs down. I didn't even use this product because it has no appeal to me whatsoever. This is from Spongel, and this is the Body Wash Infused Buffer. This is $20, and essentially what this is like a sponge with product in it. You're supposed to wet it and be able to like wash your body with it and get quite a few uses out of it. I use bar soap, and I don't know, like this doesn't give me any appeal whatsoever. Like I don't feel like I'm going to use this, so I haven't opened it. I kind of feel like this was just like a throw-in product, like they needed to give us some other product, so they threw this in. I don't even feel like it goes with the theme, So for that reason, I don't like this product. I haven't used this product, and I don't know, this was really, really just a no for me. Okay, next was a product I didn't want to love because it is so expensive, but I do love it. This is from Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and this retails for $89. So much money. I have been recently thinking about how much things cost and like my hourly wage, and this is probably like 10 hours for me to get this with taxes. So that is a lot of money. And I feel like the packaging is deceptive. Like, it looks like you got a lot of product in here, but then you turn and you realize it's only this tiny little bit here. It doesn't have that much product in it. Let's see how much it has. 30 milliliters. It has 1 fluid ounce, but I feel like for $89, that is just a lot of money. I do, however, love this so much. It is supposed to like plump your face and really smooth out an even skin and stop wrinkles, and I don't know if it does any of that, but it feels so nice and refreshing on my face. It just really glides on. It makes my face feel moisturized, and I really like how it feels, so I have been using it every morning. I really like this product. I hate that they keep giving us expensive skincare because, like, when am I supposed to repurchase this? I'm gonna have to save up for it. But this has taken the place of my Formula 10.0.6 moisturizer, which is saying a lot because that's my favorite moisturizer. So this is definitely a plus for me. Loved this so much. Alright, the next product I actually gave away. And it's not because it was a bad product. I'm going to see if they have a picture here for you. Yeah, it was this. It's this Wander Beauty highlight and blush palette, and that retailed for $26. My problem with this was I didn't like the pan sizes. They were rectangular and kind of weird to dip your brush into. The highlight was way too dark for me, and I just didn't feel myself reaching for it. Like, I had those toned blushes in other blush formulas that I liked better. It's not that it wasn't pigmented or anything, I just did not reach for it. So my friend was going on an interview for Princeton, so I gave it to her because it fit her skin tone better. She didn't have any blushes, and I felt like it just would further her. It would help her more than it helped me. So I did give that one away. That wasn't necessarily a negative, like a thumbs down for me. It was kind of like an eh. The next product, however, is a favorite. This is the Grand Mascara Lash Boosting formula, and first of all, when I unboxed this, I told you guys I hate beveled metal, and usually it makes my skin crawl. I guess because I've been using this every single day since we got it in the box, I've gotten over that, which is great because that was a very weird thing that happened. I love this mascara so much. This retails for $25, and I actually think it's worth every single penny. I have it on my eyes today. Let me zoom in so you can see it. I have the mascara on my eyes today, and as you can see, it really just lengthens them like no other. It gives a nice amount of volume. It's not super volumizing, but I really feel like it, you know, makes my lashes look really good. This is an interesting formula because it's not watery, it's like a gel, and it is so cool because at the end of the night, usually when I like take it off either with like a balm or an oil or a wipe, I feel the crunchiness from the mascara throughout the day, and it is kind of off-putting because I feel like my lashes are falling off when I do that. But this, because it's a gel formula and it's supposed to do this, it comes off so easily. It never gets like super duper hard like that it crunches off. It just kind of comes off super easily, and it's supposed to help your lashes grow. And honestly, I have seen a difference because I have on this eye, I have like no lashes over here, and now they've grown. Like, it's insane to me. I love their primer, so I was so happy that I love this too. Definitely worth $25. And even though it's a gel formula, it does not move throughout the day. Unless you're crying, obviously it's not waterproof. It kind of just stays where it is. It's really beautiful. I love it so much, and I'm so happy that I got to try this. This is definitely a thumbs way up. Alright, the next thing is from PYT, and this is also a product I haven't used yet. This was the hair straightener. This was the hair straightener. It was the mini one. I got it in this really cool blue shade, and the problem is I don't straighten my hair. When I was in middle school, I got made fun of for having like this kind of hair that I do. They told me it looked gross, so I got really nervous, really anxious, and I straightened my hair every single day for 6 years until I got into high school, and I didn't get a chance to straighten it one day, and this girl was like, "Is that your natural hair? Like, that looks really good." And I was like, "What? Really?" And I have not straightened it since I only straighten it for like really important events. I don't typically straighten my hair because I feel like I damaged it so much in those 6 years that I kind of want to give it a room to breathe. So I haven't used it for that reason, but I can't, like, what would make a bad hair straightener? Like, I don't know. It's small. It looks like it'd be really nice for curling hair, but I just personally have not used it. Doesn't mean it's bad. It's just like another like product. Okay, and the last thing we got was from Crimes of Beauty. It was this wristlet as well as a portable power bank. I have the power bank in my purse right now, so I didn't feel like going downstairs, getting it out of my purse and coming up here. I love the power bank. It's really cool. It like comes out from the side and has a port for either a Samsung or an Apple phone, as well as like the Samsung Galaxy S8 and 9. My boyfriend has it. It has a different like plug-in thing, and they have an adapter for that in there as well. It's really, really cool. It charged really nicely. It charges my phone. I love it. I always need a power bank, and I also really, really like this. It actually has all of the makeup and skincare that I used on my trip with Claudio recently. This comes in handy so nicely. It fits a lot of stuff. There's a divider in the middle, so if I wanted to put my makeup on one side, which I did, and my skincare on the other, I did do that. I think this was a great product, and I wasn't sure I was going to like this at all because it's not makeup related, it's not hair care related, it's not skincare related. It was just like kind of like the bag they gave us last Boxyluxe. But I actually really, really like this, and this retailed for $22. I think that's a great price point. Okay, so that completes my review of this month's Boxyluxe. I was nervous to see how much I liked Boxyluxe because I liked the first box, and I will say I liked the first box a lot better than this one. I feel like that was more cohesive. I feel like they kind of just threw high-end products in this box and called it a box. I don't feel like it was very on theme. You know, the theme is like sea sun, and I don't necessarily know how this goes with that. I mean, beside the Wander Beauty Dawn to Dusk palette, I understand that. I don't feel like that theme really showed through very well. I do think though this box was worth it. Like, even though I didn't like those 3 products or whatever, I definitely got the box paid for 3 times over with this, and with the Luxie brushes. So in my opinion, this was a box that was well worth it. It's not the best box I've ever done, and I'm kind of nervous to see what this month's box is, this January box, because I've seen spoilers. I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not, but we'll see. That video should be up on Monday. Yeah, guys, so that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.